Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put a door handle on a post facelift BMW. This is years 2001 to 2003. When I looked on YouTube, I didn't see any videos that had this particular style of door handle. This one has a plastic piece and a cable right here that you can pull, that the latch pulls forward to unlatch the door. All of the YouTube videos I seen on YouTube, they had the hook style clamp. So I'm gonna show you guys today how to put this one on here. As you notice, on the back of here, there's a tab right there that goes over the front of this plastic piece right here. We're gonna put that behind here. And also on the back side, you see there's another tab right here. This tab right here is gonna lock it into place. So I'm gonna try to do this while the camera's in my hand. I might not be able to do it, but I wanna try to do it so you guys can see. Yeah, I might not be able to get that on camera, but we're gonna yeah, guys, I couldn't get it on camera. But basically what you do is you slide the back tab on here first, and then you take this piece and you push it down, and it should click into place. All right, guys, so I hope that helps somebody out. It took me a while to figure this out, but that is how you do it. And yeah, that is it. All right, thank you guys for watching.